I am Mahima Laharia. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel Pacific Chemistry Classes. Students, as many students finds problem to learn the periodic table in a full way. So today this video I made the periodic table easy to learn. So just let us start. So first S block element we have our first student. So how you will learn the S block? First A line, that is your है ली ना की रब से फरियाद. So how you will write it in Hindi and English? So just you can write it down. है ली ना की रब से फरियाद. So है for hydrogen, ली ना lithium sodium, की for potassium, rubidium and cesium. रब से फरियाद. So you can learn this very easily. Second A is our beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radon. So you can learn beta मागे कार स्कूटर बाप रोए. So it is your beta मागे कार स्कूटर बाप रोए in Hindi. So you can learn S block very simply, and it is very very important because whenever you start chemistry, always the elements comes and you must know the name. Now let us see the codes for the P block elements. So P block elements, there are 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 groups are in there. So just we can see the codes for our first 13th group, that is our Bo Alag Intelligent. So boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and our thallium. So what is the code? So it is our Bo Alag Intelligent. So you can write it vertically or horizontally. So in Hindi what you will write? Bo Alag Intelligent. Bo for boron, Al for aluminium and G for gallium, and intelligent IN and TL will cover this word. So bo alag intelligent. Next is our carbon family. So the code for the carbon family is very simple. It is kahe Sita ji suno prabhu. Kahe Sita ji suno prabhu. Kahe for carbon, silicon, germanium, suno, tin and prabhu for lead. So you can easily learn this. So you can write the code in English as well as Hindi. So it is your kahe Sita ji suno prabhu. Kahe mein you will have this carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. So in Hindi also, those are comfortable in Hindi, they can write it like this in a horizontal and a vertical manner. Kahe Sita ji suno prabhu. Okay, so next family, now let us move to our nitrogen family, that is our New Zealand, our Poland, Australia, sab big gaye. Okay, so match fixing sometimes na. So what is the code for the nitrogen family? New Zealand, Poland, Australia, sab big gaye. It's your very easy and funny also na. So you can just write it down. New Zealand, Poland, Australia, sab big gaye. Take the screenshot. In Hindi also you can write in which language you are comfortable, you can learn in that manner. So next family is our oxygen family. So oxygen family, it is our old style se TPO. Old style se TPO. What is this? Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and our polonium. So these are our simple words. So just you can take the you can write it down. Old style se TPO. It is very easy if you learn these codes. And Hindi also you can write, in English also you can write. Next comes our halogen family, that is our fir कल बहार आई आंटी. So what is the code for the 17th group? फिर कल बहार आई आंटी. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and our astatine. So what is the code for this? फिर कल बहार आई आंटी. You can easily learn and you can write in your comfortable language. If it in English or in Hindi, you can just make it a song. फिर कल बहार आई आंटी. So you will never forget this series. Then next is our noble gases, 18th group, 0 group, that is our है helium. है ना अगर कर 0 run पे. So अगर कर is a cricket player, we all know na. So it's a है ना अगर कर 0 run पे. So you can just write it down. है ना अगर कर 0 run पे. Just a minute. So you can take the screenshot. है ना अगर कर 0 run पे. In Hindi or in English you can write. So I hope the P block is also very easy. Now let us move to our D block. So all have written this code. So what is the code? Bo alag intelligent, kahe Sita ji suno prabhu, न्यूजीलैंड, पोलैंड, ऑस्ट्रेलिया सब बिक गए। ओल्ड स्टाइल से टीपो, फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी, है ना अगर कर 0 रन पे, है ना अगर कर 0 रन पे। So students, our D block elements starts from our 4th period, that is from scandium. It will be our 3D series, then this is yttrium 4D series, and this lanthanum it is 5D series. So there are 10 elements in the first 3D series, 4D series as well as our 5D series, and so we will see how we will learn these elements. Transition metals starts from our 3D series. So transition metals are subdivided into 3D series, 4D series, 5D series and 6D series. Here I will give you the codes of our 3D, 4D and 5D series. So our first transition series starts from scandium to zinc. So just what is the code of this series? You can see scooty, वैन, कार में फेंको नहीं कूड़ा, जिंक. So just we know that our transition metals have starts from scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. Atomic number 21 to 30. So just you can learn it very nicely. It is very easy code. Scooty, van, scooty for scandium and titanium. So scooty, van for vanadium, chromium, car, me for manganese, फेको means iron and cobalt will come together, nahi for nickel, kuda means kasa, you know in Kannada, so kuda, zinc. So it's a scooty, van, car में फेको नहीं kuda, zinc. I hope you will learn it very nicely. Next comes our 4D series. So it starts from our yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, titanium, ruthenium, radium, palladium, silver and our cadmium. So just what is the code of this series? It's yari for yttrium, zara सी, निभा, मौत तक, रुक राह में पड़े हैं आग कंकड़. So how we will learn this? I have written here your English. यारी, जरा सी, निभा, मौत तक, रुक राह में पड़े हैं आग कंकड़. So for the South Indian students, you can convert according to your comfort, but in Hindi I have written it one sentence. यारी जरा सी निभा मौत तक, रुक राह में पड़े हैं आग कंकड़. So कंकड़ for cadmium. कंकड़ means stones. Okay. So our 5D series is from lanthanum. Okay, so it starts from lanthanum. So it's a lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum. So just 3 elements will have one word. La hafta. La hafta means some movies now you are seeing hafta vasuli, and also we relate that word. La hafta ware. W is for tungsten. La hafta ware osmium की इरिडियम से पिटाई और होगी. So osmium, iridium, platinum, and this is our AU for gold, and this is for mercury. So I hope this is easy. La hafta ware osmium की iridium से पिटाई और होगी. So this is the song form I have written here in English. You can write. So it is easy to convert in your own language comfortable. So la hafta ware osmium की iridium से पिटाई और होगी. So this is our D block elements. So you can easily learn all the 3D series, 4D series and 5D series. So first line is again scooty, van, कार में फेंको नहीं कूड़ा, zinc. यारी जरा सी, निभा मौत तक, रुक राह में पड़े हैं आग कंकड़. 5D सीरीज ला हफ्ता वारे ऑस्मियम की इरिडियम से पिटाई और होगी. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो द इजी फॉर्म ऑफ अवर D block series.